If you're looking for one of the simplest electronics flipping opportunities that still offers strong profit margins in 2026, gaming monitor flipping remains one of the most overlooked side hustles. Many people assume a cracked screen automatically means a monitor is worthless, but experienced resellers know that a damaged panel often represents a repair opportunity rather than a dead product. By sourcing broken gaming monitors at heavily discounted prices and performing strategic panel swaps, flippers can routinely target profit margins of 50% or more while serving a market of gamers who want quality displays without paying full retail prices. If you're looking for one of the simplest electronics flipping opportunities that still offers strong profit margins in 2026, gaming monitor flipping remains one of the most overlooked side hustles. Many people assume a cracked screen automatically means a monitor is worthless, but experienced resellers know that a damaged panel often represents a repair opportunity rather than a dead product. By sourcing broken gaming monitors at heavily discounted prices and performing strategic panel swaps, flippers can routinely target profit margins of 50% or more while serving a market of gamers who want quality displays without paying full retail prices. One of the most common monitor failures is physical panel damage. A monitor may have a cracked display, black spots, colored lines, or impact damage while every other component remains fully functional. The power supply, control board, stand, housing, buttons, ports, and backlight system may all work perfectly. In many cases, the only defective component is the LCD panel itself, making the monitor a strong candidate for a profitable repair and resale project. Successful monitor flippers spend significant time sourcing inventory rather than performing repairs. Local marketplaces, electronics recycling centers, liquidation auctions, office clearances, university surplus sales, and online classified listings frequently contain damaged gaming monitors offered at a fraction of their original value. Sellers often assume repair costs exceed the monitor's worth, creating opportunities for knowledgeable buyers to acquire inventory at extremely favorable prices. Before purchasing any broken gaming monitor, it is important to verify the exact symptoms. A cracked panel is often preferable to a monitor with unknown power issues because the repair path is clearer. When evaluating listings, request photos showing the damage, ask whether the monitor powers on, and confirm whether the display produces an image. A monitor that still powers on but displays a cracked image is often easier to diagnose than one showing no signs of life. The profitability of a panel swap depends heavily on accurate model identification. Every gaming monitor uses a specific display panel, and sourcing the correct replacement is essential. Many successful flippers remove the rear cover and locate the panel model number before ordering parts. This step helps prevent compatibility issues and ensures the replacement panel matches the original specifications, including resolution, refresh rate, connector type, and physical dimensions. Panel sourcing is where profit margins are often won or lost. Instead of purchasing expensive new panels, experienced resellers frequently search for donor monitors. A donor monitor may have a defective motherboard, broken casing, damaged stand, or other issues while still containing a functional display panel. Purchasing donor units can dramatically reduce repair costs and increase overall profitability. A typical example illustrates the economics. Imagine purchasing a 27-inch 165Hz gaming monitor with a cracked screen for $30. A compatible donor monitor containing a working panel is acquired for $40. Total acquisition cost becomes $70. After completing the panel swap, cleaning the monitor, testing functionality, and creating a professional listing, the repaired monitor sells for $150. After accounting for fees and transportation expenses, the resulting profit margin can comfortably exceed 50%. Quality control is critical when repairing gaming monitors. Buyers expect smooth refresh rates, accurate colors, functional inputs, and consistent performance. Every repaired monitor should undergo extensive testing across HDMI and DisplayPort connections. Refresh rate verification, dead pixel inspection, brightness testing, color evaluation, and extended runtime testing help ensure customer satisfaction while reducing the risk of returns and negative reviews. Cleaning and presentation can significantly increase resale value. A repaired gaming monitor that looks neglected will struggle to command premium pricing. Thorough cleaning of the display bezel, stand, rear housing, ports, and packaging area creates a more professional appearance. High-quality listing photos taken in good lighting can dramatically improve buyer interest and conversion rates. Many new flippers make the mistake of focusing exclusively on flagship gaming monitors. In reality, Mid-range models often provide the best return on investment. Popular 1080p and 1440p gaming monitors with refresh rates between 144Hz and 165Hz appeal to a larger audience than premium enthusiast models. Faster sales turnover often results in better annual returns than holding inventory for extended periods while waiting for a niche buyer. Understanding common risks is equally important. Some gaming monitors use rare panels that are difficult to source. Others may have multiple underlying faults beyond the damaged display. Power supply issues, motherboard failures, backlight defects, and firmware problems can complicate repairs. Thorough inspection and disciplined purchasing decisions help minimize these risks and protect profit margins. Another factor contributing to successful monitor flipping is timing. Demand for gaming monitors often increases during back-to-school periods, holiday shopping seasons, major gaming releases, and PC upgrade cycles. Listing inventory during high-demand periods can improve selling prices and reduce the time products spend sitting unsold. Documentation also plays a role in building buyer confidence. Including photos showing the monitor functioning correctly, displaying test patterns, and running at its advertised refresh rate can help justify pricing. Buyers are often willing to pay more when they see evidence that the monitor has been properly repaired and thoroughly tested. As experience grows, many monitor flippers begin specializing in specific brands or monitor categories. Specialization improves sourcing efficiency, speeds up repairs, and increases familiarity with common faults. Knowing which models frequently suffer panel damage and which donor units provide compatible replacement parts can create a significant competitive advantage over less experienced resellers. The long-term opportunity in gaming monitor flipping comes from combining technical knowledge, disciplined sourcing, careful repairs, and professional sales practices. Panel swaps are not about performing complicated electronics engineering. They are about identifying undervalued inventory, replacing a damaged component efficiently, and presenting a fully functional product to a market that values affordable gaming hardware. For electronics resellers willing to learn the process, flipping 2024 gaming monitors through strategic panel swaps remains one of the most practical ways to achieve consistent 50% profit margins while building a scalable electronics repair business.